you doing, guys? Welcome back to my channel again. This is Studio Ray Boys and Their Toys. I got another episode of Two Porn. As you know, guys, in my other previous videos, I always look for a reason to get me another tool. Lo and behold, my old drywall gun went out. All right, you see, I had the old Makita that I had for over about 10-15 years, and doing work on the house, and it's starting to go out on me. The cord is frailed. I could have fixed it, but again, bingo, there's a reason for to buy a new tool. And so I've been eyeing the Milwaukee's for a while, and I looked at this one and I said, listen, this gave me a lot of good years. It helped me out in the house when I first moved in, but it pretty much took its course. And as you can see here, the cord is corded, and with technology now, with battery technology now, decide I need to retire this. So what I picked up, the Milwaukee M18 View drywall gun, cordless. In my previous video, you saw I went all in on a special buy full package of Milwaukee tools along with batteries. So I went to my favorite store, Home Depot. There was I had a little special coupon to take a percentage off of this, and I was initially just looking for the body, but they didn't have the body, and the body just goes for like 150 without batteries. This one was going for a little more than that, but I said, what the heck, you know, I always use extra batteries, and I wanted to invest and get one, being that again, I got a lot of work going on at the house. So I decided to pick this one up. I don't think I'm gonna be disappointed. You guys who's been doing research and going to the tool stores, you know Milwaukee is a good brand. So I'm not gonna get into figures. I'm not into figures and what have you. I just like quality, and a lot of contractors swear by the Milwaukee's, and by the write-up on the Home Depot site and other sites I've been researching, this comes up top billing. So I'm kind of eager to see what we have. So let's take a look at it. Let's lust over it. Let's see how this puppy looks. So let's take a look at it now. All right. Alright, guys, now my first impression opening this up, I must admit the tool bag is very well made. As you can see, it has the big Milwaukee logos on it, the M18 Fuel, but it's well made, it's well designed. Is stitched very nicely, so I'm very impressed with that, because I have a lot of other Milwaukee tools. I can take some of the tools out of the previous bag and put it in this one. So let's take a look, open it up, and again, it has heavy duty zippers on this thing, very fat zippers, so you're not gonna mess up the zippers. It looks like it's very tough. It can take a beating, which is very important. I hate getting bags, you use it for a couple of times, then the zipper breaks, and then it's always open. But not this one. This one's look with good quality, has a little side pocket you could throw extra tools in. It's braided right, it's double stitched. It's a nice bag. It's a nice bag. I'm very pleased with it. It definitely looked like it could take a beating. Again, it has a lot of reinforced stitching around it. All right. Another thing I like about it, when you open it up, it stays open. It has like a liner, some type of metal mesh that keeps it wide open. So, and that's how the stuff looks when you look at it. You have your pamphlets, and pretty much you have your batteries and your tool right there. So everything's out and nice and organized. So I like it. I like it very much. And right there's the extra batteries. These are the smaller batteries. Again, I have the XC batteries, 2.0. Have the XC's 5.0. So I have plenty of batteries with the Milwaukee set. So the warranty cards and everything. So I'm very happy with it. I'm very pleased with it. It's definitely a good addition to my collection of Milwaukee tools. So I definitely uh, would recommend this one. Again, have another charger. I have two now. I'm gonna set that up in my garage area, so I always have it charged. But all right, this is what it looks like. And I must admit, when I first picked it up, it's very light. All right, as opposed to my old one, it's definitely a balance difference. Um, the Milwaukee is very light. This one here is top heavy, not as economical in holding, but not the Milwaukee. The Milwaukee is nice, has a nice rubber backing on it. You can grip it. Is well balanced. That's the first thing I noticed, that you will have no problem holding it and putting that screw where you need to put it. So again, you guys know about Milwaukee. Good quality. Again, it's plastic and stuff, but it's it doesn't feel cheap or cheap plastic. I like the collar. It's responsive as opposed to my Nokia that was always grabbing. So that one's nice and smooth to get your proper depth. I'm very impressed with it. So yeah, that's it, guys. I can't, you know, what can I say? It's a two. It feels nice. It's a Milwaukee. You know, we lust over these things. I lust over it for a while, and I'm glad I have it right now. So I'm gonna put this guy to work. I believe. Again, it comes with two batteries. I got another heavy-duty battery I can add to it, and I believe it'll be well suited. All right, guys. Let's see. I got a battery here, and I'm gonna show you just a quick comparison between my old one and the new one. As you can see, they're pretty much apple and oranges. The Makita is much lighter, much more balanced than my old one. Has a slimmer profile. It's not forward heavy. Again, this is cordless also, and I definitely can tell a difference between the two. I will definitely prefer the Nokia, of course, because better technology, and I'm excited to have it. Now, throwing on my bigger battery here. This is, I believe this is the 5.0, the bigger battery. I believe it is. So, and it comes with the smaller battery, but this is the more high capacity battery. And again, the balance is there. It's apple and oranges in my old one and the new one. It feels good in the hand. It doesn't seem like I'm fatiguing, especially when they start hanging drywall like in the ceiling, lifting it up and trying to get some screws in there. This is going to perform very well. I don't seem like it's going to be fighting with me. It's going to work with me, and then that's very important. Again, and they have this automatic feed for which I'm excited about. So we're going to test that out later on. So this is the Milwaukee, well balanced. I can't say much about it. Again, I'm not a professional contractor. I'm a person who just works in my house, like tools, like doing things on my own, like having the proper tools to get the job done. And this tool will get the job done without a doubt. So again, if you're looking for a reason to buy a good drywall gun, I don't think you can go wrong with this one. All right, so I'm gonna put it through its paces and come back to you guys, let you know what I think about it, how it feels. Right now, everything feels good to me. All right, again, we lust over these tools. We wish you can have them, and I pretty much just pulled the trigger and said, listen, I'm already committed to the Milwaukee system. I went and got all the cordless other ones, the torque gun, the drill, the saw, everything. So I'm excited to get some new tools in the house. The old one's about to break down and stuff, and they're corded. And again, technology has advanced so much. I think this is an excellent time to be a do-yourselfer and able to get some quality tools to help out with your project and save some money. So let's go on. Let's check out this. Let's get together. Let's do a little more lusting over this and check out how it performs for me. All right, so stand by, guys. I got another clip to show you, and I hope you appreciate this one. All right. Hi guys, I just want to demonstrate this Milwaukee dry gun. All right, as you can see, it's very well balanced, and what I like about it is it's really not that noisy, nice and smooth, and how it just goes in. All right, so I'm gonna put this in here, and again, when you just engage it, and it goes in so buttery smooth. I really like this. It's light in the hand. It's not a challenge to hold up and keep it balanced, and I'm liking it. I mean, compared to my old one, I was always struggling with the cords. This is a very now I know why contractors love Milwaukee and the quality of the work and the ease of it. And another thing I want to show you guys, we have a button here, and you have an auto start. So what you want to do, if you don't want to hit this trigger to engage your bit, all you have to do is hold it down. Well, first turn on auto, I should say. Turn on auto, hold the button down, and there's a switch right here that you press up, and that's it. That's locked. So now when you put a screw in for the bit head right here, all you have to do now is just come to it and press, and it automatically engages to get the screw, and it shuts off after that. Guys, again, I just want to bring out this feature. They have something called auto start, and on the bottom of it, you have this little button here. You engage it, a little light comes on. Once that's engaged, there's another switch here that you just press up and push your trigger in, and it locks in for auto start. So once you have your nail or your screw on your bit, all you have to do is just go to your work, come up to it, and press, and it automatically goes in and it shuts off. I really like that feature in this gun, and I'm telling you guys, this is very lightweight. So if you're looking for a reason to you're doing some work and you're looking for some reason to buy a new drywall gun, this is the ticket. All right, you won't go wrong. All right. It's about $150 just for the for the body itself. All right, so that's very reasonable, I believe, especially if you want to do it yourself and you don't want to hire somebody out to do your drywall. All right, so again, this is for your home improvement guys, your staying home dads, your DIY guys who don't mind getting a hand. Pick this up, you won't go wrong. Stay away from the cordless, get your battery pack, and you can really get your work done with ease with this drywall. So again, this is the Milwaukee Fuel. It's a part of the M18. And yeah, that's it, guys. I pretty much just want to show you that when I picked it up and started doing my drywall, I'm loving this. I'm glad I picked it up. All right, so it's gonna make my job go a lot quicker and a lot easier. All right, I got a lot of work to do inside my house, and like again, is a reason to buy a new tool. I'm all for it. So this is Boys and Their Toys, dealing with what's called tool porn, enjoying it. All right, so I'll see you guys on the backflip. All right, please like the channel, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave some comments, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right, guys, later.